Hi Aries, welcome to your next coming week reading. This is from the 8th of February to the 14th of February, the Valentine's week. Let's see what messages want to come through for Aries. This is Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or Jupiter. Please swap around the characters if you think the energy is vice versa. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message here is meant for everyone watching. Alright, this is for Aries. Aries, take a deep breath. Allow energies to flow freely. Feel the universal love while you breathe in. The abundance, the harmony, the peace that's all around you. Let go of negative emotions that you are holding on to. Anything that doesn't serve for the highest good, allow it to go. Set yourself free from attachments, desires. Integrate, Aries. Merge with your soul. Alright, Aries. Wow, you have exchanging gifts and then you have Treasure Island. I'll show the cards to you in a moment. You get exchanging gifts. You see it? And then you have, okay, hold this here. Treasure Island. Aries. What is this about? You are discovering something about yourself, about another person. But this feels good. Even if it's not good, it's meant for the higher good of you and the universe. So far feels good to me, but we'll see what it is. I do see that you could suddenly receive a surprise. Alright. Some sort of partnership here, Aries, for you. Alright, Aries, you get the overall energy for the reading is the Three of Pentacles. This is some sort of collaboration that you currently have in your life. Some sort of partnership here. In the recent past, you have the Two of Swords, the Chariot, and the Six of Wands. You did go forward, I think, with your logical mind more than your heart, because I do see your heart is closed here. But you did move forward and it did bring in some sort of success into your life. Some sort of win. You won something. We'll see what that is about. In the current energies, you have the Ace of Pentacles, the Star, and the Five of Wands. Some sort of conflict. I think since this is some sort of partnership, I do sense that it could be with somebody you were involved with in a partnership of some sort. There was some conflict, but also a lot of healing there. A lot of understanding of your own self. A lot of discovering something about you. You have Star right in the middle of the reading, and if you look at this card, you'll see that this person is so open and is so exposed, so vulnerable. There is, I don't know, I'm discovering a lot of things about me. I'm learning new things about me. I think that's what was happening here. You've discovered your strengths definitely here. In the immediate future, you have the Queen of Swords, the Hanged Man, and the Seven of Wands. Something is keeping you stuck a little, something is asking you of adapting a different perspective. You may be resisting to let go of something. And I don't think you are quite yet ready to see from a different view. Alright, let's see. Let's see what that Six of Wands there is. Clarify the Six of Wands here, please. Thank you. Whew. Is this Aries? Is this some cheers to singlehood kind of thing in the past? For the Six of Wands, did I say Six of Swords? Okay, anyway, for the Six of Wands, you get the Three of Swords. So I am guessing that there was some sort of heartbreak that you have overcome in your past. This heartbreak need not be about a lover. It could be for anything. It could be a job loss too, where you had emotional attachment, where you had emotionally invested yourself. But you've definitely overcome something. You've overcome the loss. You've overcome the heartbreak. So I guess you're carrying forward that energy, though you may be surrounded with a little bit of conflict. I think this is with people more than inner conflict. Sometimes Five of Wands, to me as a reader, comes across as inner conflict also. But here I do sense this is with external parties. I don't sense an internal conflict here. So definitely something that is allowing you to see more of yourself, allowing you to be, no matter what you might be feeling at this point in time, Aries, I do think that this is allowing you to be your authentic self. You are understanding so much more about you as a person, you as an individual. You are deep diving into your soul, into the depths of your soul. I do sense that very strongly. It's like a new life. Looking at this card, it felt like a brand new life for you. You see this kind of it's like a portal you see here, like you are just stepping into something brand new. Let's clarify the Hanged Man here. Clarifying the Hanged Man, please. What is the Hanged Man here? Okay, cool. All right. Let's get some more clarity here in the Seven of Wands, please. Thank you. Ooh. I think the past Aries is gone for the good. I hope you do very soon see that why you have learned what you have learned, because I think some of you are stepping into a new relationship. You get the Nine of Cups. This is an emotional wish fulfillment. The Six of Cups, a past life soulmate. Hierophant, which is a marriage card. Definitely somebody well deserved coming into your life. And I guess you are resisting that, and I hope that you'll allow new love to come in, because that is for whomever it is. It could be your forever person. Yes. You may be resisting, and you may be a lot focused on your practical life, on your material world, but maybe you are somewhere not seeing love coming into your life. And just don't stand in the way of it, Aries, please. I do see you standing in the way of it. Allow it to come in. And I guess you will. I guess you will. Something is changing for you in divine timing, Aries. You get the Wheel of Fortune as well. It's changing for the good for sure. Your forever person is coming. I don't sense an old energy here. I do sense a new energy. So maybe for some of you it's the old person. I don't honestly sense it. I sense a completely new energy here. Alright, Aries, I guess now we are clear about what message wanted to come through. That's the treasure island you are discovering about yourself. Definitely exchanging gifts with somebody brand new. Somebody coming in and you are not seeing that yet. This person you may not know this person. But once you meet them, you could just connect with them with just like that. Because you already know them in your past life, from your past life. Aries, that's the message I have for you guys. I hope this resonated with y'all. If not, no worries. Please watch out for your moon, rising Venus or Jupiter. Aries, until next time guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.